Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about all the mistakes I've made this week in my business and see if I've learned my lessons from the previous week. Stay tuned. So guys, couple of mistakes. What I've done this week. Sorry, just people are messaging me to take that off the screen. So a couple of mistakes this week. I've took on a lot of stuff. As in, I've Facebook. I've done a YouTube group. Start again. I've took on a lot of stuff this week. I've joined a YouTube course, trying to learn how to do that better, so I can promote my videos and get my channel growing. I've signed up for the one funnel away challenge, which is like a 30-day all-in kind of thing, intensive. This challenge, guys, is pretty much same as what I did in the what my mentors at Crawford did in the group, and that was very good. It's 30-day training, and learned a lot from that. The reason why I've signed up for the one funnel away is because I want to try it out. I'm not gonna swear to any other mentor. Zach's my mentor. I've got 100% faith in the guy. He's doing a great job. He's always bringing more stuff in. So one of the couple of reasons why I've joined the One Funnel Away challenge, because I want to see other stuff. Like it's good to learn, yeah. So I want to see it from different angles, kind of thing. So what I'm learning, what I'm trying, I want to see what other people are doing as well. So then I can try and like implement my stuff into that as well. They'll give me some ideas. I can hopefully help them, and maybe I can get a few people over to sign up for Thingy, Top Earner Mentor too. That's the plan. A bit of advertising and get some new people involved into the Top Earner Mentor. But the One Funnel Away challenge, guys, it's run by Russell Brunson himself, the owner of ClickFunnels. So it's a good idea to learn off him, considering it's his product. Maybe he'll teach me a few things or two. And yeah, so have I took on too much? Only time will tell. But what I feel, guys, is I'm not going out partying and that. So I've got my weekends to do it all. I've committed myself this year to making my business and getting it all up and running and that. So yeah, I've got plenty of time. And I mean, guys, it's only 30 days, isn't it? Let's move my keys, guys. Yeah, it's only 30 days, so I've got a full month of seeing how I get on, guys. And the YouTube course, I can do it in my spare time as well. So like this. Yeah, so the YouTube course, it's I can do it as and when. It's not my main priority. Obviously, Top Earner Mentor is, and ClickFunnels. This One Funnel Away challenge is pretty much same as Top Earner Mentor, so I'll know a lot of it. So it's not going to take all my time. Whereas if I start from scratch, it would do. I'll have to concentrate. But this, it's a lot of stuff what I've already been taught, so I'll be able to go about it and implement whatever tasks or homework we get. I'll be able to hopefully do it better than what I did the first time round. So it's not going to be as bad as maybe you thought, now that I think about it. But am I taking on too much? I don't know. I've not been going to the gym so I've got spare time there. I'm working long hours at work, but I'm kind of used to that anyway. So I kind of think it's fine, guys. I'm coming home. I'm doing a couple of hours after work, 3 or 4 hours after work. So there's nothing's changed. It's just instead of me spending loads of time on certain tasks and like throughout the week, I'll just be doing this one full away challenge and the YouTube course. So yeah, I mean one of my other problems, one of the other mistakes I've made this week is what I've found is that I've been spending too much time on individual tasks, trying to figure out how I'm going to do it. Like for instance, the editing and creating videos, the writing the scripts, the creating of the funnels, things like that, guys. It's just spending too much time. I seem to be spending too much time. Now I'm a geek and I like that kind of stuff, but for some reason my brain's just been switching off, and I've been spending too much time on how I'm going to do it. Yeah. So what I've been thinking is, instead of trying to do it all myself, like thinking how am I going to do it, need to shift my mindset into who. So instead of how, yeah, who. So pass it on to other people to do the jobs for you guys. Yeah, don't try and do everything on your own. Give other people tasks, or pay them. Yeah. So if you're not good at writing, pay someone to write. If you're not good at editing, get someone to edit. Yeah, it'll free up a lot of your time, and in the long run, it's going to save you, isn't it? Yeah, it's going to save you some pennies, because they'll get it done quicker and probably better than you, and then you'll be able to get whatever your mission, your vision, yeah, your goal. You'll be able to get that done quicker. Yeah, so that's my plan this week, guys. So I'm going to delegate different tasks to different people, pay them to get my vision, my goal out there sooner, rather than me spending a lot of time thinking of how I'm going to do it. Yeah, it's all about time, isn't it, guys? So yeah, they were my two concerns and mistakes over the week. One, if I took on too much, and two, spending too much time, wasting too much time, basically. So yeah, that is my mistakes for this week, guys. I hope you've enjoyed my little update, and if you did like it, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, guys. Don't forget to check out my #1 free training. It's the first link in the description. It's Top Earner Mentor, run by my mentor Zach Crawford. I highly recommend you check it out, guys. If you're serious about creating a business, you're serious about making money, yeah, and you really want to learn, that's all you need, guys. Click on that link. That is all you need. Yeah. So that being said, guys, I'm Jay Roberts, Geeky Dad. This is Building My Empire, helping you to build yours. Till next time, guys. See you later.